The question says find the value of x in this matrix. Okay, so we have a 3 by 3 matrix, okay, where we have column 1, column 2, okay, column 3. So we have this as row 1, okay, row 2, row 3. Okay, so we have to determine the value of x in this matrix. So how do we do this solution? Okay, so for x minus 3, 5, these are the elements, minus 4, 2, minus 4, we have this as 3, 2, 6 minus x, okay. So let us assume this is a matrix A. So this gives minus 24, okay. So how do you find the value of x? Okay, so let us determine the determinant, okay. So by starting with this, so we start with this, okay, which is x minus 3. So the first row is gone, the first column is gone, it will be deleted. So we have x minus 3, okay, into, so once this is deleted, we have just 2, okay, we have 2, which is this, we have minus 4, we have 6 minus x, okay. So here we have, so since this is a leading diagonal, okay, we have addition, so we have the diagonal, okay, the second diagonal, okay, while we have subtraction, okay, so this comes with addition, okay, so for minus, we have it to be here, so this is minus 4, okay, so for minus 4, the first row will be deleted, the second column will be deleted, so we have 5, 2, okay, so here we have this as 2, 6 minus x, okay, and for the third one comes with positive, so we have plus 3, okay, so here we have, this is deleted, which is the first row, the third column, so we have this as 5, 2, okay, 2 minus 4, okay, so let us work this out. So we have this as x minus 3, okay, so we multiply this with this, so we have 2 into 6 minus x, by the time we times it, okay, minus, okay, so let us have this as a square bracket, okay, so here 2 is multiplying this, so we have this as 2 times minus 4, okay, for the first bracket, so we have this as minus times minus is plus, so we have 4 into 5 is multiplying this, so we have 5, let's have a square bracket, okay, so we have this as 5 times 6 minus x, okay, which is this, so minus, so we have this as 2 times 2, okay, so for the third one here we have this as plus, we have this as 3, okay, into 5 times minus 4, okay, so we have minus, so here we have this as 2 times 2, okay, so at this point we have this as x minus 3, okay, so for 2 into 6 minus x, so we have 2 times 6 is 12, minus 2 times x, we have it to be 2x, okay, so for 2 times minus 4, that is minus 8, times this, so we have this as plus 8, okay, plus, so here we have this as, 4, okay, so let's also sort out what we have in the bracket, so 5 times minus 5 times 6 minus x, okay, so 5 times 6 minus x, so what does that mean? So for 5 times 6 is 30, okay, so for 5 times minus x, 5 times 5 minus 5x, okay, minus, so 2 times 2 is 4, okay, plus, here we have this as 3, okay, into 5 times minus 4 is minus 20, okay, minus 2 times 2, we have that to be 4, okay, so when we work further, we have this x minus 3, okay, so here we have this as 12, Okay, so for 12 plus 8 is 20 minus 2x, which is this, okay, plus, so we look at the second bracket, we have this 30 minus 4, so we have this as 26. Okay, do not forget we have our 4 here, okay, so this addition, which is this, so we have our 4 here. For 30 minus 4 is 26, okay, minus 5x, okay, plus, so we have this as 3 into, for minus 20 minus 4, we have this as minus 24, okay, get equals, okay, so everything here we equate it to minus 24, okay. So let us distribute what we have here with x. Okay, let's start with x. X times 20. We have this as 20x, okay, minus x times 2x is 2x squared, okay, minus 3 times 20, that is minus 60, okay. So at this point, we have minus 3 times minus 2x, that is plus, okay, 6x. So here we have this as plus, so for 26 times 4, okay, so we have this as 24, 4 times 2 is 8, 104, okay, so we have this as 104, so we multiply this with this, we have 104 minus, okay, so for 4 times minus 5 is minus 20x, plus times minus, we have it as minus, okay, 3 times 24, so we have this as 12, okay, this is 72, so we have this as 72 equals minus 24, so let us see what is here, okay, so let's have it here, so we have this as, okay, we have this as 20x, okay, minus 2x squared, we have this as minus 60, plus 6x, okay, so plus 104, okay, we have minus 20x minus 72 at this point equals minus 24, okay, so let us collect the like times, so we have this as 20x, okay, so we can combine this 20x with this, okay, or we easily say this is plus 20x minus 20x, this is out, okay, this is out, so we have minus 2x squared, which is this, okay, we have minus 60, okay, plus 6x, okay, plus 104, which is this, minus 72 equals minus 24, so we have minus 2x squared, okay, so we have plus 6x, so for minus 60 plus 104, okay, so we have this as, okay, we have this as plus, so for 60 out of 100, so plus 44, okay, minus 72 equals minus 24, okay, so from here we have this as minus 2x squared plus 6x, okay, so for plus 44 we can bring this back, so we have plus 44 minus 72, which is this, okay, plus 24, let's equate it to 0, so we have minus 2x squared, okay, plus 6x, so for 44 plus 24, we have it as 60, okay, we have this as 68 minus 72 equals 0, so we have minus 2x squared, okay, plus 6x, okay, so for plus 68 minus 72, so we have this as first 68 minus 72, we have this as minus 4, okay, equals 0. To eliminate this minus, so let us multiply all three by minus 1. So when we do that, we have this as 2x squared, okay, minus times plus is minus 6x, minus times minus is plus 4, equals 0, okay. So we can look at this and have this and reduce this with 2 or 2, so we have x squared minus 3x plus 2 equals 0, okay. So by the time we take it from here, okay, so for x squared minus 3x plus 2 equals 0, since we are looking for the value of x, okay, so we can factorize, okay, with 2, that is 2x squared, so we have x squared, okay, so 2 times 1, so we can say minus 2x, okay, minus x plus 2 equals 0. Okay, so by the time we do this, so when we take x squared minus 2x, okay, minus x, okay, plus 2 equals 0. So we group this, we have this as x into x minus 2 minus, okay, 1 into x minus 2 equals 0. So that means that x can be x and minus 1, which is the x. So we have x minus 1, okay, we have x minus 2 equals 0, okay, minus 1 equals 0, so that means x equals 1, and for x minus 2 equals 0, that means x equals 2. So x equals 1 or 2, okay, so that means the value of x in this matrix, okay, can be 1 or 2. Thank you very much.